Hello, my dear children. Today I'm here with a new video lesson for you for my grade 6 English medium geography students. So, first of all, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Sensei Lanka Online School. If you have not subscribed my channel still, you can subscribe me and also don't forget to ring the bell icon. So, today I'm going to discuss a short topic with you. The lesson is a bit small. If you want to look at my earlier lessons, you have to go to my playlist. Then you can go for my earlier lessons. So today, I'm going to discuss about two different topics. So I'm going to share the presentation for you. Yes, this is the presentation. We are in unit number 1. Now we are at the end of unit number 1. That means we have discussed a lot of lessons from this unit, the school and its immediate surroundings. So now we are in part 10, wind and clouds as weather elements. What are the two topics we are going to discuss today? First one is wind. Do you know what is wind? Sulanga, wind. And then the clouds. Walakulu. When you look at the sky, you can see the clouds. So we are going to learn the wind and the clouds as weather elements. So now do you remember these two words? What is weather? That means the situation or the condition of the atmosphere in a certain place within a short time period. In Sinhala we say Kala Gunaya. So what is weather element or weather elements? Kala Gunika Mulikanga. In my earlier video lessons I have discussed it. So Pute, now we are going to the lesson. There are beautiful pictures. Look at the pictures. There are two pictures. Look at first one. Look at the first picture. I will put numbers. Number 1. This is number 2. Can you see in the first picture? Something is happening. Something is happening. What is it? It is the wind. Like this, blowing here and there, blowing here and there. What is blowing? ගස් එහෙට මෙහෙට පැද්දෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ සුළඟ නිසා. I think now you understand what is wind. So my dear children, now our topic is wind. There is a very small definition for you. Now I'm going to explain it. The wind that blows. What is the meaning of blow? Sulang hamanawa. The wind that blows at a higher speed is called a storm. The wind that blows at a higher speed. වේගයෙන් හමාගෙන එන හුළඟක්. එහෙනම් ඒකට අපි කියනවා storm එකක් කියලා. Next one. The wind that blows with a lesser speed. It is another type. Wind that blows with a lesser speed. What is it? It also has a name. Breeze. So the wind can be divided into two different parts. What are the two? Sometimes wind is a storm. That means it is blowing at a higher speed. Sometimes we call it a breeze. What is breeze? It is blowing with a lesser speed. වේගය අඩුයි. So remember these two words. Yes, okay. So now come to this note. It is about wind. The wind direction indicator. It is an instrument. Instrument. Wait, I will type it here. Instrument. What do we call instrument? Upakaranaya. That is the instrument that we use to measure wind. So, I'm going to explain it for you. The wind direction indicator shows the direction of the wind. The wind direction indicator shows the direction of the wind. So related to the wind, we are going to learn two weather elements. Related to wind, we are going to learn two weather elements. Wind එක ගැන තියෙනවා weather elements දෙකක්. There are two. What are the two? First one is direction of the wind. We can measure direction of the wind. And then what is the second one? Speed of the wind. Speed of the wind. So we have to learn both two. First we are going to learn direction of the wind. සුළඟ හමන දිශාව. Second one, speed of the wind. සුළඟ හමන වේගය. We are going to learn these two. So the wind direction indicator shows the direction of the wind. That is the instrument we use to find the direction. Then look at the second one. Look at the second one. The anemometer. In Sinhala we say anilamanaya. The anemometer is used to measure the speed of the wind. Anemometer is used to measure the speed of the wind. How can we measure the speed? What is the meaning of it? That means if we consider 1 hour, if we take 1 hour time, පැයක් කියලා හිතමු කාලය. ඒ පැය ඇතුළත කොච්චර කිලෝමීටර් ගානක් යනවද කියලා. Within 1 hour, how many kilometers can it pass? That is the speed of the wind. It is measured in kilometers per hour. පැයට කිලෝමීටර් කියන ඒකකයෙන් තමයි මනින්නේ. It is measured in kilometers per hour. What is the short form? kmph. That is the unit of measuring. Kilometers per hour. So now I think you understand this part. Now we can go to the next one. Wind direction indicator. Wind direction indicator. What is wind direction indicator? Can you see it in the picture? Can you see the arrowhead? And then some letters are there. North, south, east and west. Can you see the letters here? These letters are showing the direction. When the arrow is for this side, it shows the direction. Sometimes arrow may be here. Sometimes arrowhead may be here. So by looking at the arrowhead, you can understand the direction. So what is this instrument? Wind direction indicator. It shows us the direction of the wind. Okay. Nice activities here for you. Do you like to make a wind direction indicator? This picture shows you how to make a what? This boy has used some paper plates as the stand and then a pencil and some cardboard A4 sheets like that. Now you have to think about some more things that we can use to make this one. You also can try it at home if you have free time. I think you like this activity and I hope you will make a one like this. And also stay with me. In my future videos, I will come to make these instruments. I will help you to make them. I will show you how to make them. Okay. So now this is anemometer. Anilamanaya. We use this instrument to measure the speed of the wind. For that we need a machine like this. Can you see the meter is here? Numbers are there. It is showing that unit kmph, kilometers per hour. That measurement is there. That is why we need this meter. Okay. So now remember this instrument also. Now we are going to learn about the second topic. Earlier I told you today our lesson is a bit short because these weather elements are easier than learning about the rainfall. So clouds. What are the clouds? What are the clouds? When you go out and look at the sky, you can see clouds. Now look at this picture. All of you look at the picture. Look at the color of them. Look at the shape of the clouds. Look at the size of the clouds. So when we look at the sky, we can see different sizes of clouds, different colors and different shaped clouds are there. විවිධ හැඩවලින්, විවිධ වර්ණවලින්, විවිධ ප්‍රමාණවලින් වලාකුළු දකින්න පුළුවන්. So පුතේ, it is another weather element. Now we are going to learn. There are 3 points for you to learn. When you observe the sky, observe means when you look at the sky, you can see clouds of different shapes and colors. Now you understand it with that picture. Before rain. Now think, before rain, have you ever looked at the sky? Have you ever looked at the sky before a rain? වහින්න කලින් අහස මොන වගේද? You can see thick, dark clouds. You can see thick, ඝනකම, dark, අඳුරු වලාකුළු in the sky. When there are no clouds, the sky is clear and blue. Have you seen that? Sometimes when we look at the sky, there are no clouds. The sky is completely blue. A beautiful blue color can be seen. Sometimes without any cloud, no clouds are there. So Pute, that is the way of looking at the clouds. Now I want to tell you something. Did you watch my earlier video about the temperature and rainfall? If you can't remember, please subscribe my channel and then get my notifications. There you can see my lessons again. Go to my earlier videos and try to remember temperature and rainfall. There I gave you a lot of examples, pictures and descriptions. So now tell me, what is the instrument we use to measure temperature? Thermometer. What is the instrument used to measure rainfall? Rain gauge. And then for wind direction, direction of the wind direction indicator. Speed of the wind, anemometer. Then for clouds, do we have any instrument? Do we need any instrument to look at the clouds? No. So for clouds, there's no instrument. We can observe. We can look at the sky and tell anything. So you have to remember that. Now we are at the end of this lesson, weather elements. I forgot to tell you this. I told you there are clouds with different colors, different shapes, different sizes. See, look at my picture. They have names. They have beautiful names. But still you are very small. You can't remember all these names. So don't try for that. But you can just know different clouds according to their shape, according to their size. They are given names. The names are here. Okay. So now we are going to do a very small activity. If you can do this activity, I can understand you know the lesson. So try this. When you are looking at the video, you can pause the video for a while and do this activity. After that, you can check whether your answers are correct or not. So weather element in column 1. In the second column in the middle, you have to write the equipment. And then in the last column, you have to write the unit that we use to measure it. So first I will write temperature. Temperature. In the first one, temperature. What is the equipment we use? Thermometer. Thermometer. That is the instrument. So what are the units? There are two. Celsius sometimes we use. If not, Fahrenheit. If not Fahrenheit, you can use C or F. And then, what is the next one? Rainfall. What is the equipment we use for this? Rain gauge. And then unit, millimeters. And next one, today we learned it. Direction of the wind. Direction of the wind. What is the equipment? Wind direction indicator. Wind direction indicator. It has another name also. What is that name? Wind vane. Wind vane. It is another name. So for this one, no unit. For this, do we have unit to measure the direction? Are there any units? No. For this one, we are using the directions only. Then we are going for speed of the wind. Speed of the wind. For this, we are using anemometer. Anemometer. There I told you the measurement. Kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. For that I told you kmph is the short form. What is the last one? Clouds. For clouds, we don't have any equipment. So, no equipment. But you have to remember by observation. By observation. Observation. By looking at it, we can understand. Because of that, there is no unit. This is the way of completing the table. If you like, you can take a screenshot also. These are the weather elements and the equipments and units we use to measure each of them. If you study this table, it will be useful for your exam. Okay. Now I'm going to the last activity of this lesson. The last activity. I got this from your school textbook. There is a puzzle for you. You have to complete this puzzle. Across there are 3 clues. Down there are 2. So we are looking at number 1 across. What is it? You can get to know about, what is it? All of you look at. You can get to know about the nature of the clouds by doing this. What is the answer? Just now I told you. What is it? Observation. You can use the capital letters here because other letters are in capital. Observation. Then number 4 across. A main weather element. Number 4 starts with T. It's a very long word. What is it? Yes, temperature. Temperature. R-A-T-U-R-E. Temperature. Okay. Number 5 across. Condensed water vapor falls to the earth as this. Condensed water vapor falls to the earth as this. It is rain. Last day I told you in my earlier video. Rain. So now we are going down. Number 3 down. The speed of the wind is measured with this equipment. It is anemometer, starts with A. A-N-E. Anemometer. Anemometer. The last one, down number 2. The wind that blows mildly and softly. Today I told you. The wind goes with at low speed. Breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E. Breeze. Okay. Now I think you understand this activity. So stay with me. I will come to meet you with some activities like this. I will make some puzzles for you, some questions for you, so you can enjoy those activities with me. So if you have not subscribed me still, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon. And my dear children, remember, if you have any question related to my lessons, you can contact me with WhatsApp number. Look at my screen, my WhatsApp number is there. You can contact me through WhatsApp. Okay, then thank you very much all of you. I will come to meet you with a new video lesson for you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.